Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by removing loose flakes. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle so you don't shred fibers. Once done, vacuum up debris or lift with tape. This prevents grinding paint deeper. Next, test a small hidden area with 70% isopropyl alcohol to confirm the dye won't run. You need white cotton cloths and a small bowl of solvent at hand. This keeps everything controlled and prevents cross-contamination. You'll apply solvent to the cloth and blot the stain, moving from the outside inward to avoid ring formation. As the paint softens, use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently agitate fibers. This mechanically frees trapped particles. Make sure to lift with a fresh white cloth often, because once a cloth is saturated, it will redeposit paint. Keep repeating the apply blot agitate cycle until you see no more transfer. Once the stain is reduced, rinse the spot with a little warm water and blot until the solvent is gone. This neutralizes chemicals and stops continued fiber damage. Then press with dry towels and await, followed by airflow from a fan or hairdryer on low to speed drying without heat stress. If a faint residue remains after multiple cycles, try an acetone test on an inconspicuous spot or contact a professional cleaner. If colors shift, stop and get expert help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.